Hi everybody, it's Maggie here. In this video, I would like to share with you how you can register for this Glize token. Glize is the first token on the UMI blockchain. So those of you that know about UMI, you will understand staking, right? So this coin, if you stake it, you will be earning up to 25% per month. So right now it is at 25% per month. So that's what you will be getting per month. Okay, so how do you get started? Let me share with you a few steps. The first thing that you need to do, you need to at least have your SIGEN.pro. So most of you that have had UMI, you know what SIGEN.pro is, right? It's an exchange platform where you can buy your UMI coins and exchange them to Glize. So you need to also install the app UMI Wallet. So once you have installed your app UMI Wallet, this is what you need to do. You need to at least copy your UMI address like that. Go to your SIGEN, okay, and go and send at least 0.01 of UMI to that address just to activate it, or ask somebody, anybody, to send you 0.01 just to activate your address. So once you are done doing that, you are now ready to register. Start with your registration. Point number 1, get the registration link from the person who has invited you to this platform. All right, and follow that. All right, so follow that link. It will bring you here. If the language is not in English, so you can click on the top right there and then choose English. All right, so then it is asking you for the referral link of the person that has invited you to this opportunity. So just go back and then copy that link, okay, like that, paste it there, and then go to the next step. So now that you are here, go to your UMI Wallet app. Your UMI Wallet app is this one, okay? You have activated it. Copy your UMI address, paste it right there. Now, you need to copy your caption phrase like that. This one, next one, okay? The caption phrase, copy it, and now go back to your UMI Wallet. When you are here, click on signature. All right, paste your caption phrase right there like that, and then click on generate signature. So you will get multiple characters, a long phrase. Copy that phrase, go back here and paste it right there, okay? And then click on the terms and conditions and then the privacy policy and then register. As soon as you are done with the registration, you are now able to go to your Glize community app. So this app, hopefully you have downloaded it. You can now go there. They will ask you for the UMI Wallet address again. So the same UMI Wallet address which you have used here, copy it. That's what you will use to enter your Glize community app. Once you are on the app, okay, once you are on the app, the Glize community app, you can now send your Glize to your staking structure. So basically, for you to buy your Glize on SIGEN.pro, yeah, make sure that you bought your UMI coins, and then you can just exchange your UMI coins to Glize using the exchange platform on the SIGEN.pro. So as soon as you have your Glize coins, go to your wallet, click on Glize, and now you can send. Click on send right there. Enter your staking address here. So the staking address, where do you get it? You will get it on your Glize community app. If you are using the laptop, you will or computer, yeah, or the website, you will then still go to the Glize community website, log in using your UMI address that you have gotten it from the UMI wallet, enter, and then find where it says staking address. That address starts with GLS. That's the address you will come and paste there. Enter the amount and then just proceed, next, and do everything that you need to do, and you are done staking, and that's it. So it's quite easy. So just do that. Buy your UMI coins, okay, convert them to Glize, and obviously before you convert everything, at least send 0.01 to your UMI wallet, okay, just to activate your UMI wallet, because your UMI wallet address is what is needed or required to register for your Glize staking. Okay, so hopefully this helps, and once you are done with your staking, you can then also copy your referral link and share it with your friends and family. So that's basically it. And yeah, if you have any questions, just contact me. I will leave my details below, and so that you can be able to contact me to assist you. So as I said, people are now getting 25% per month, more coins. So remember, it's more coins. So the price or the value of the coin fluctuates, okay? But then remember that new coins always tend to increase in value. So with the community growing, so basically what I'm trying to say is that with the amount of people supporting this coin, it will grow in value. So if it increases in value, so will your money increases in value. All right, so please do risk assessment. Don't just put all your money into cryptocurrency. There is always risk involved, so just be careful. But then always good to try new things and to see how it goes. 25% per month growth of your coins, it's quite good and attractive. So if you want to try and join the community, please do so, and just buy coins. I think they should be more than 500 Glize coins, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, minimum to start. But otherwise, no, actually 500 is only when you want to refer, so that you can get bonuses. But if you don't want to refer, I think any amount you can start staking. Yeah, but I will still confirm that, and I'll come back with a new video should there anything that I need to share with you guys. So ciao for now, bye.